Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to export your videos from Camtasia as a MP4 so that you can upload those to YouTube or any other video platform and basically just use those on the internet and have it in MP4 format. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. I'm Jay from the future, and quickly before we get into this video, I just want to say that if you haven't got Camtasia yet, please go to growonyoutube.com/Camtasia. Go through that link. It really helps out the channel. I really suggest getting Camtasia. I use it for all my videos now. Like, that is what I use to add all the animations and stuff on top. So if that's something that you're doing with your videos, Camtasia makes it way easier, and I'm going to show you how to export your video right now. Yo, what's going on? I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And let's get right into teaching you how to export your video or save it as an MP4. Now, first of all, this is a project. This is the project for the actual video that we're recording. So hopefully this will allow us to also show you through the whole process. But you need to go up to the top left-hand side, go to share, and then go to local file. This is how I like to save my videos. I do this instead of, just sharing it to a specific platform, because I like to have my videos on file. So then this will pop up and it will give you the options of how you want your video to be. Now you want to pick MP4 only up to 1080p. Then go to next, and then you can basically change the name of the video as well as pick the folder that it gets put into. Also, when these videos are saved, they are generally by default goes into a actual folder. I'll show you how that looks. Let's go to these ARC videos. You'll see a bunch of Camtasia videos that are actually in folders. So these are videos that I've made that are actually in folders. This is how it usually saves if you have this ticked: organized produced files into subfolders. So if you wasn't able to find your files or something, or you didn't know where they were, then hopefully this has helped you out. But basically, once you go in those folders, you'll see the video in there. I honestly don't know why this is a default thing, because why does someone want a folder for one video? I've never understood it. I don't know who this is for at all. So I'd suggest unchecking this so that you just get the video to the actual folder that you want it to get into. And then I leave show production results and play video after production so that you know that the video's actually working. And then you want to click finish. I'm not going to do that right now because that might actually screw up the recording and mess it up. But once you click finish, it will pop up with the basic rendering queue, and it will basically show you how long until it's finished. So yeah, that is how you export your video as an MP4 from Camtasia. That's how you get a HD video up and running, and you can upload it to YouTube or Vimeo or wherever you're uploading your video. And I hope this video helped you out. Remember that if you haven't got Camtasia, go to growonyoutube.com/Camtasia. It helps out the channel. If you like this video, if it helped you out, then that's a great way to support at no extra cost to you. If you got any other questions or tutorials you'd like me to make, please leave those in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next Camtasia tutorial. Peace out.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you.